Welcome. This is Powerhouse Pilates. We're going to go right into it. Find plank line. Grab one of your heavier weights. Find that plank line. We're going to hold the first 30 seconds in plank line. Find that plank line and bring a heavier weight near you. The plank line is just to get you warmed up. If you wanted to, you can start rocking forward and back. 20 more seconds. Just holding that plank line. We're going to start picking up the heavy weight in about 15 seconds. When we pick up that heavy weight, we're going to row just the right side in 5 seconds. All right, find that plank line. Pick up the weight, right hand, row, row, row. Just the right side. 30 seconds, we're already 10 seconds in. Good. Keep breathing and rowing. Good, another 10 more seconds, and then we're switching to left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch. Take about 10 seconds to transition. Find that plank line. And then when you're ready, pick it up, left side. Start rowing, time starts now. 30 seconds. Just keep rowing up. 20 more seconds. Good, 10. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, find that plank line. Hold plank, last 30 seconds. If you need to, you can put your knees down. This should actually feel like a resting pose if you were doing those rows. You can rock back and forth. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flip it over. Both weights, too heavy. Heavy to medium, around 10 pounds. I have 12 pounds. You could probably go up as high as 20. Bring those knees into your chest. Bring your elbows in towards your ribs. Make yourself into a tight little ball. And then extend out. Bring into a tight little ball. Elbows, knees in. And extend out. Exhale when you come in. Inhale when you come out. We're going to be here about 1 minute. Think about your form. Don't worry about going too fast. Just exhaling in, inhaling out. Good, 30 more seconds right here. Remember to move with that breath. All right, we're gonna go a little bit faster in just about 10 seconds. We're gonna try to take it a little bit faster. In 5, 4, 3, 2, now go fast. In and out, 30 seconds. Gotta keep going, last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rock yourself up. Keep those weights with you. Try to balance those feet off of the floor. Double punch up, double punch, then punch one side, other side. Double punch, punch one side, other side. Double, one side, other side. Double, one side, other side. Good. 30 more seconds. Just right here. Double, single. Keep those legs floated. Good. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back onto your back. Make yourself into that tight little ball again. We're going out and in. 1 minute total. You can be as slow or as fast as you want. The first 30 seconds, I'm not going to push you. The last 30 seconds, I'm going to try to push you to go a little bit faster. Start getting into the rhythm. Inhaling out, exhaling in. Slowly start picking up your pace. Moving with that breath. All right, and see if you can start going faster. Last 30 seconds. We're coming into that double single punch in just about 15 seconds. Good, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rock yourself all the way up. Double punch, single punch, side to side. Double, single, double, single. When you do that single, make sure you go to both sides of the room. Just 30 more seconds here. We have one more round of these. Starting with those in and out. 20 more seconds here. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back onto your back. Make yourself into that tight little ball. Take it out and in. 1 minute. Go just a little bit slower to get started for that first half, with that option to get a little bit faster toward the last half. Good. All right, in about 10 seconds, we're going to try to pick up that pace a little bit more. 3, 2, see if you can go a little bit faster. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rock yourself all the way up. We have double punch, single punch, double, single, side to side. Last 45 seconds. Double, single, side to side. See if you can keep those legs lifted up off the ground. Twist that body. Try to keep those legs floated. Last 20 seconds. Woo. Keep going. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Really good. Quick drink of water. Shasta here drank my water already. So I can't drink my water because you already drank it. All right. We're finding that plank line again. We just need one of our weights. One of the weights, it's going to be a row, kick back, and switch. A row, kick back, and switch. Keep alternating row, kick back, side to side. 1 minute is official. Starting 3, 2, and go. Row, kick back. Row, kick back. We just have 1 minute of these. Try to stay tight through your core. Row, kick back. If you get tired, just hold that plank line. Thirty more seconds. Good, 15. Don't worry about how many you're doing. Focus on that form. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Make sure you're even on both sides. Flip it back over. We are coming back over. We're going to keep building on that same thing that we did before. So it's coming into that little ball, coming into the little ball. Reach it all the way out. This time, come up, reach up towards your feet. And then you're going to rock up, double punch, side to side, 2 times. Rock it back, lift up your hips, and reach it out. All the way up towards your feet. Rock it up. Double punch 1 time. Double and single punch 2 times. Onto your elbows, rock up those hips. Lengthen out. If you forget some of the moves, just go back to the crunching in and out. And then the double punch side to side. So the main thing is to just keep moving, adding a little bit element of challenge as we go. We have 1 minute here. What are you guys up to? Make sure you do double punch 2 times. Crunching it in, lengthening it out, reaching up, and then coming up for that double punch, and then your single. Good. 30 more seconds. Good. Make sure you're even on both sides. Get those punches in side to side. And then when you're ready, we're coming back into our plank line. We just need one weight. It's going to be a row, a kickback, and then into a side plank with the hip dip. You could choose to put your weight onto your hip for your hip dip. And then switch sides. Row, kick back, side plank, hip dip with a hand in the air, or hip dip with the weight onto your hips. 1 minute starts now. Good. Row, kick back, side plank, hip dip with the weight onto your hip or into your hands. Row, kick back, side plank, hip dip. That sweat should start to be pouring by now. Thirty more seconds. Stay nice and tight through that core. Try not to get ahead of yourself. Last 10 seconds. Try to be even on both sides. Good. Finish up 3, 2, and time. Quick drink of water, flip it back over. Both weights. Both weights. We're going back into the tight ball, start out. I don't want to overcomplicate it. So just start with that tight ball, start out. Just focus on squeezing in and starting out, going a little bit more back to basics, but maybe focusing a little bit more on extending the arms and legs into a star type of shape if someone was looking at you from above. Or it could be like an X type of shape. Exhaling in, inhaling out. Good. 30 more seconds. Move with that breath. Good. In 15 seconds, we're going to start out as much as possible and start reaching both arms up and legs up. And then we'll alternate one side and the other side. Good. 3, 2, find that star position. And then reach both arms up. Find that star. Opposite arm to leg. Star. Opposite arm to leg. Star. Both hands up. Star. If you need to add a little bit more of a single leg, you can do a double leg in between. Otherwise, see if you can just keep in this rhythm of single, single, double. 45 more seconds. Keep moving with that breath. Exhaling up, inhaling down. Let your breath help you, let your breath guide you. 15 more seconds. Good, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take both feet onto the ground. We're gonna come into some bridges. So try to position those feet close up towards your heels. Take those weights, just rest them onto your lap. Bring those hips up as high as you can. Start opening and closing through the knees. Rest those weights onto your hips. You could slightly lift up your heels. Just kind of on the balls of your feet mostly. Opening and closing through those knees. Getting a nice strength and a little bit of loosening into your hips as you open and close. 30 more seconds here. Keeping those hips up. Squeezing those glutes. Finding that breath. Good, keep breathing, just about 20 more seconds here. All right, we are going to be coming after this into chest press with a double leg lowering down. In just about 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, lower those hips all the way down to the ground. Take those weights into your hands. Bring your chin into your chest, extend those legs up. Chest press, lower legs down. Bring your elbows down and the legs up. And then just repeat it. So it's a counterbalance here. Arms come up, legs lower down. This should help you get a little bit deeper into those abdominals. As you bring the weights up, just chest height or in line with your chest and lower those legs down. We have 30 more seconds just in this rhythm. Down and up, squeezing those abdominal muscles. Those weights should be helping you. Good. Last 10 more seconds, nice. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take the weights back behind your head. See if you can just hover the weights there. Now we're gonna circle the legs. Just one direction. First 30 seconds. Just circle one way. We're gonna go 30 seconds one direction, 30 seconds the other direction. If you needed to, you could bring those weights all the way to the ground and use them as handlebars. It's definitely more of a challenge to hover those weights. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch it. Other direction with those circles. Just 30 seconds. Good. Keep going. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, back into our chest press. Bring the weights up, lowering the legs down. And repeat it. Weights up, legs down. Weights up, legs down. Good, 30 more seconds here. Keep going, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, back to those weights on your hips or onto your lap. Bring your feet as close as you can in toward the seat bones, bridge up again. This time, see if you can come just on one leg, or if that's not possible, lift the heel on just one leg. And then start bridging down and up. 30 seconds. One leg pushes into the heel, whatever side you're on. Your other leg comes all the way up, or you're just lifting up the heel on that side. Down and up. Good. 20 more seconds. Keep pushing into the heel on that supportive leg. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch it. Switch sides, 30 seconds. Either lift the entire leg or just the heel. Down and up, 30 seconds. But keep breathing. Keep pushing into that heel that's on the ground. Even if you just have the heel lifted and not the entire leg lifted. Good, 15 more seconds. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower all the way down. Bring those knees back into the chest. Make yourself back into that tight little ball. See if you can bring your chin into your chest. Rock your hips up into a reverse curl. Double punch, single punch, right side, left side, back into the reverse curl. Double punch, single punch, right side, left side. Reverse curl, double, single. Take your time here. Be as long as you want in that reverse curl, in that double or single punch. Breathing through this. Good, 40 more seconds. Remember to take your time. Last 20 seconds. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick drink of water. We're flipping it back into a plank line. Plank line, just one of your weights. Whew. Oh, hopefully you guys are really starting to feel this by now. We're in the plank line, one weight. We have a row, a pushback, a thread through, a side plank with the hip dip, and then see if you can take that weight behind your head. And then back to your other side. A row, a pushback, a side plank with your hip dip, Take that weight behind your head if you can. We're gonna be here 90 seconds. Time starts now. Row, push back, side plank with a hip dip and a tricep row. Keep alternating, right side, left side. This is gonna go a lot quicker than you think because we have so many components here. But you're working all parts of that core. You're already 30 seconds in. Good. Last 30 seconds. I told you guys, this is going quick. We're just building on the beginning of the class, adding those extra added elements. See if you can do at least one more on each side. Good, make sure you're even on both sides. Finish it up. If you finish early, grab a quick drink of water or hold your plank line for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Quick drink if you need one. Towel off. We're gonna come to our side. We'll need both weights. One weight is gonna be on our hands, our top hand, the other weight behind your knee. So choose whatever side you wanna go to. One weight goes behind your knee. The other weight goes right into your hand. And we're just lifting and lowering. Lift up that top leg and arm all the way up and lower. Your knees are just gonna be bent in about a 90-degree angle. Exhaling down, inhaling up. Just feeling into your range of motion. For starters, this is gonna get a lot harder. We're just here for 20 seconds. If it gets too hard for you, you can come back to this. And it's gonna get harder in the hips. Just telling you, we're gonna put that weight, the weight that's in your hand, onto your leg in about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep the weight behind your knee, the weight that was in your hand, put it onto your leg. So you have one weight on the top of your leg, the other weight behind your knee. And we're just going up and down. With that top leg, try not to totally close your leg. So it's just going about hip height down and then up as high as possible. 30 more seconds just in this range of motion. Woo. You should already be really burning right now, especially through that hip. All right, 15 more seconds. And then we're going to take the weight off of the leg back into the hand, but we're going to keep the weight behind the knee. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, take that top weight into your hand, point your knee down and your foot up. We're taking the weight that's in your hand behind your head and then the knee up. Weight goes behind your head, foot points up, knee points down. down, and up. 30 seconds here. Down and up. Move with that breath. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, take the weight that was on your hand, place it back onto your leg. Both feet are going to point up. Knees point down, so you have 2 weights. One behind your knee, the other one on your leg. Just open and close that top leg. Feet point up, 30 seconds. Then we'll switch sides. Open, close. We're 10 seconds in, just 20 seconds here. Good, 15 more seconds. Woo, feeling that burn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, before we come to the other side though, we have to take a really quick stretch / inner thigh. So your top leg, you can either just rest it right in front of you and extend your bottom leg, or you can take that top leg and hold onto the ankle, which will feel a little bit more like a stretch. Come onto your mat if you're slipping around. Take that bottom leg, heel points up, toe points down, start pulsing. Pulse up, 30 seconds. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We're 5 seconds in. Those weights really add that layer of difficulty. You guys are doing awesome. Good. Good, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, stay up as high as you can. Stay up really, 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 really high. Little itty bitty kicks forward. Little kicks forward, just 30 seconds. Stay up high. Little kicks forward or just motions forward to the front. Good, 20 more seconds. Keep that foot flexed. Good, keep breathing. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, switch sides. I know this hip is still burning, but we have to switch sides. Bring those weights if you can, if you want to, if you have them, and just point your head in the other direction. Starting with one weight behind your knee and the other weight in your hand. Whatever side you're doing, we're just doing the opposite side. Bend these legs in that 90-degree leg shape. And then we're just feeling into this range of motion. Going up and down. Good. Keep going, another 20 more seconds like this. Good, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now just rest that weight onto your leg, up and down. If you don't have the weight, you can just put some pressure onto that top leg and just breathe. Just 20 more seconds. Right here. Just go straight into it. 4. Good. Strong, strong, strong through that hip. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're taking the weight behind the head, pointing the knee down, the foot up, and then just coming down and up. Try not to totally touch down with the knee when you come down, and then just right back up. 20 more seconds, and then we're gonna place both feet up and do the knees for 30. We're almost here. And then we'll take that inner thigh stretch. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, finish up that last one. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really sealing it in. Both feet up. And place that weight onto your leg. So we have double weights here on that top leg. We're just opening and closing for 30. Breathe. Don't worry about how many you're doing. Just try to make it through. 20 more seconds. Keep going. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I know it feels like everything is just slipping and melting. That's fine. We get to stretch right now. So take this top leg, either just set it right in front of you or hold on to that ankle for added bonus stretch. Take that top leg and just start pulsing up. 30 seconds up, 30 seconds forward. We're almost done. Just about 90 more seconds. Good, take your time, breathe through this, relax, stretch. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now keep this leg high up. Little pulses forward, 30 seconds. Stay strong, stay long. Keep stretching out the IT band on that top leg, the inner thigh, 20 more seconds. Good, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now find yourself into a seated position, bringing the weights with you. We're almost there. We have both of those weights. Both of those weights. Double punch up. Just your right elbow comes in, and then we're gonna punch out left side and up. Switch it. Punch out over to the other side. Here, both up. Punch it out. So you can bring both down with you, but just punch one of them out. So both come up and down at the same time, but just punch one out. Good. Good. I think you guys got it. 30 more seconds. Finding that groove. This is strength and stretch all the way through. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, And one. So good. Really good, you guys. That was hard.